Hi, welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best scrambled eggs. So, I like 3 eggs. I have a little bit of heavy cream. I have a little bit of chive and butter for cooking. So let's get started. Okay, I have the 3 eggs right here. I'm going to take a bowl. I'm going to crack the eggs, but make sure you crack them straight down first so you don't get the eggshells in your bowl. So, crack them in, like so. Take a fork. Now you want to whisk it. Now you want to go side to side, like so. Not around like so. You want to go straight side to side to break up the white, so it's fully incorporated. Okay, that looks ready to go. Okay, we have our pan right here. It's under medium to low heat, and the secret to make perfect scrambled eggs is heat control. So you want to add your butter. So you want to melt it like so. You don't want brown butter. You just want melted butter. So, okay, once it gets like so, now you want to add your eggs. Now, secret to really good scrambled eggs is you want to move it around. Low heat, move it around. Because you're trying to break up the curds. You don't want big curds in your scrambled eggs. Move it around, have it on low, so you have it a good heat control. This should take about 2 minutes. Scrape off the sides. It's almost getting there. When it gets like this, I like to add a little bit of heavy cream. So I'm moving it around, move it around. Okay, we get to pretty much this point where it's pretty much 80% cooked. Now you want to take it off the heat, and it's going to carry over cook. As you can see. Okay, these eggs are ready to plate. Okay, we have our scrambled eggs. I like to put it on toast. As you can see, they're beautiful. They're not rubbery. They're beautiful scrambled eggs. Now, add a little chive at the end. Now, here we have it. We have beautiful scrambled eggs. Yeah, it's beautiful, nice and silky, not rubbery. It's beautiful. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.